It's time to add some aggression to our JCW. Stay tuned to see what's going on.
Let's get it now.
So here at Carbonwurks, we're all about carbon fibre. Well, the name should suggest that pretty quickly, but we're going down a slightly different route this time round. And I normally would be a big advocate for carbon fibre, but today we're going to stick on some Maxton Design Parts, which are gloss black plastics. If you follow me over to the bench, I can show you a couple of bits that we're going to put on here. So we've got this front splitter, and they actually offer a couple of different designs. We all agreed this was actually the slightly better design in a way. It's personal preference at the end of the day. And we've got some side skirts as well, which are going to go on the car. So I'm keen to see what these are going to look like. As I said, this is unusual for us to be putting anything other than carbon on a car. And actually, I'll let you in a little secret. This will be the first time ever I've installed any type of body kit or aerodynamical parts that isn't carbon fibre. So stay tuned. Let's see what this one goes, and I'm interested more than anything to get your guys' opinion on it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Ultimately, if I don't like it, maybe I'll take it off. But from the photos, it's going to look great from what I think anyway. So let's get involved in this one. Let's get Sam back in. Let's get some Maxton Design Parts on the car. So the Maxton Designs kit is now on, and well, I wasn't entirely sure how this was going to look. I'm really pleased. This looks really, really special. It's added a load more aggression with those wide skirts. It's almost a bit more sort of squatter, if you like. Adds a bit more to the overall finish, and that front splitter finishes the front end off. And it works really well. We've still got quite a lot of carbon on this car. But if you come down and have a look, this is obviously a gloss black ABS plastic piece. We're going to give it ceramic coat in a minute just to give it a bit of extra protection, but works well with the other gloss black on the car, and it works well with the carbon as well. So really pleased with the front end. I'm slightly concerned that this being lowered, it might catch, but time will tell on that one. That's future Daniel's problem. And coming to the side skirts, again, like I said, adds a load of aggression. Fits really well, these parts. You look at the front and the back, they're just really nicely fitting. There wasn't a great deal to them. Obviously, fitting them in the right way is really important. Ultimately, these are plastic parts. They will have a little bit more flex than something carbon fibre wise, which is a bit more rigid and strong. So taking the time to install these properly is more important than the parts themselves almost. So, but for the most part, I'm pleased. Guys, let me know what you think. Do you think this is now too much, or do you think it just sits just perfect? For me, love it. But thank you very much for watching. If you get an opportunity, give us a like and subscribe. It's always appreciated. And we'll see you next time. Who knows what we've got in store for the Mini.